Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm putting in some new LED light strips for my car. I've already done this side. They're like smoked, but I'm gonna show you guys how to actually do one. So I haven't done this one yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how to install them. They do look really good when they're on. I'll show you at the end how they look. They look amazing. But anyways, let's get into the video. All right, the first thing you want to do is you're gonna want to remove the mattress, and then we're gonna have to get rid of all this. So you want to start by taking that off, and then you should want to there we go. Yeah, it's gonna want to pop off like that. So, and then we're gonna have to get this one off in order to reach the bumper, so we can take the bumper off. There's like this little it looks like a hair clip pin. You're gonna want to take that out in order to get this off. So now that all the carpeting's removed, now we can access these two bolts down here, which will help take the bumper off. Okay, that's the first one. I need number two. Now that the two bolts are off, I don't know if you guys can see, now we can just take the screws that are holding it down from here, and then we can take this bumper off. So this is like my little homemade tool, because I couldn't fit a real screwdriver in here, so I just got a vice grip, and then I got a Phillips head, and then that works. Come right off. What is all this doing right there? I don't know where that comes from. You get a wipe? I want to wipe that down. There we go. Come on, this thing is so stubborn. There we go. All right, this is the old one. And then the old one doesn't even have lights. It's just a reflector. This one actually lights up and it's smoked, so it looks so much better than the old one. Feed green wire through here. Come on. There we go. There we go. Then satisfying. Yes, that was very satisfying. And then just like that, if you could kind of see. I made some slits into the little plastic, this little plastic piece right here, because you're gonna want to get the wires through here. All right, so connecting the green one to the brown wire of the tail light, and then we're gonna connect the black one to the black. So here we go. Get in there just like that. So we need to tighten this a little more, and then there we go. All right, and then we connect black to black, as you can see right here. they're all connected. We could just plug in a taillight just like that, and then we can just clean these up with a few zip ties, and then we'll go test it to see if it works. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what these lights look like when they're on, but actually first let me show you what they look like when they're off. So they're smoked, and now voila, they look so good. They look amazing, and they look even better at night. So I'm gonna show you a clip of what they look like at night. Just like, yeah, I'm gonna shut it off for comparison. Yeah, look at that. All right, it is nighttime, and I'm going to show you how these LEDs look like at night. And I'm telling you right now, they look amazing. And there you have it, guys. That is what they look like at night. I gotta say, it's a huge improvement over just stock reflectors. Hey, not bad for 30 bucks, you know? Okay, so that is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you learned something. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one, because hopefully next video I will be doing coilovers. So see you in the next one, guys.